I mean, I've picked up a lot in 3 years, but...
მუნიციპალური განვითარების ფონდმა დაასრულა ბათუმის ბულვარის აღდგენის ნაპირსამაგრის სამუშაოების პროექტი. ამ პროექტის მხარდაჭერი იყო აზიის განვითარების ბანკი. ძველი ბულვარი, რომელიც ზღვის ზემოქმედებით იყო მთლიანად დაშლილი, ეხლა ჩვენ სადაც ვიმყოფებით, ფაქტიურად აქ უკვე იყო ზღვა შემოჭრილი. არის აღდგენილი, მოიწყო კილომეტრ 800 მეტრიან მონაკვეთზე ქვისდამცავი ბერმა, რაც არა მარტო ბულვარს იცავს ზღვის ზემოქმედებიდან, არამედ ამავე დროს გზას და თქვენ ხედავთ, რომ ჩვენ ახლა ვიმყოფებით აეროპორტის მიმდებარე ტერიტორიაზე, აეროპორტიც დაცულია ამ კონსტრუქციის მეშვეობით. შესაბამისად, ვინდა ვთქვათ, რომ საკმაოდ უნიკალური, ძალიან მნიშვნელოვანი პროექტი განხორციელდა არა მარტო ბათუმისთვის, მთლიანად საქართველოსთვის. მნიშვნელოვანია, რომ ჩართული იყო მშენებელი კომპანიაც იყო უცხოური კომპანია, საერთაშორისო კომპანიის ზედამხედველობით ხდებოდა, ყველაფერი აზიის განვითარების ბანკის წესებით და რეგულაციებით განხორციელდა, ამიტომ ძალიან წარმატებულად, კარგად დასრულდა ეს პროექტი და მინდა მიულოცო როგორც ბათუმელს, ისე ყველა საქართველოს მოქალაქეს, რომ დღეს უკვე დაცულია ნაპირი, შესაბამისად, ზღვის ზემოქმედება ვეღარ დააზიანებს იმ ინფრასტრუქტურას, რომელიც აქ არსებობდა და ამავე დროს იძლევა საშუალებას დამატებითი განვითარებისთვის, დამატებითი ეკონომიკური აქტივობის შესაქმნელად.
This project was designed by Technitel SPA of Italy, with Saunders Group of Georgia as a sub-consultant. Technitel's experience is worldwide. They have conducted coastal protection works all over the world, Europe, Africa, Middle East. One of their most important projects is the Vienna flood defences, which stop the city of Vienna from flooding. Vienna, and also they also have carried out a lot of coastal protection works in Iraq. Currently they have a $5 billion project in Iraq for harbours and coastal protections at Basra. They have conducted the coastal protection works in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and also in Qatar. And this project is intended to protect the coast of the city from severe erosion, which has been caused by changes to the Cherokee River due to the hydro dams, which were carried out by the previous government, and due to ongoing issues in the Black Sea. What we see here, many people will just look at the rocks that have been placed and the concrete for the crown wall, but in fact the works go from 20 metres out in the sea all the way to the road. So it is a considerable volume of works which is required to protect all of these new structures, the airport, and the city's new canalisation infrastructure that goes to the wastewater treatment plant.
My name is Luca, and I'm a designer of the coastal defence works for Batumi protection. And our design started in 2015, and did the first design finished and was approved in 2016, and we were ready to start the works at the beginning of 2017. Between the first original project already approved and the start of the works, we found an important different condition of the coastline, and particularly in the south of the Batumi coast, close to the airport, where we found big erosion over 1.5 kilometers, something like that, and big erosion and demolition, destruction, and collapse of the existing boulevard. And after this surprise condition, we are asked to prepare a modification of the original design, and we prepared it, and this new design was approved at the end of 2017. The design is the objective of the design was to protect the coast, of course, and now it works for that. We designed with the new comfort about the regulation, European regulation and standards for safety and safeguard of the coast. And well, there are a big variation with respect to the original design, and it was due to the fact that the big erosion was very dangerous for the coasts and for the boulevard and also for the streets. So we are obliged to use different rocks to protect the coast. We take rocks of even 10 tons instead of 3-4 tons. Very, very important works also for the founding of the quarries on land. And this is to protect, and this protection with this revetment along 1,800 meters covers now from the old breakwater towards the north for almost 2 kilometers. The more difficult things was the new section, because the new section with these big stones is built till minus 4.5 meters under the water. So it has to be to excavate, to dredge till minus 5, something like that, to pose the toe of the berm, the toe of the revetment, and to make stability to the structure. And this is the most important thing. And also, with these new stones, big stones, we decided to use a big and important, very important coefficient, permeability coefficient. That is that means that between one stone and the other stone, we accepted some holes, some voids, important voids, in order to break the waves and the energy, to decrease the energy of the waves when the waves collapse over the breakwater, over the revetment. Now it's safe. The coast is safe. The road, the boulevard, and everything, the coast is safe. There is some maintenance works for the beach that is different from the coast. The beach itself, in order, just to say, the sand. You have not sand, you have pebbles. You have big, little pebbles. Maintenance needed, but it's always it was always clear that we needed to maintain the beach every year, or maybe every 2 years. Once a year, at the beginning of the springtime or something like that, in order to have the beach ready for the tourists in summertime. But that rocks will be strong enough to save the coast, sure. This is the real reason, because it is deepened till minus 5 meters into this